In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable the fade panel in the switch control after a certain period of inactivity on your MacBook device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Apple icon up in your menu bar and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel, select Accessibility, and then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath Motor and select where it says Switch Control. And then there should be an item that says Fade Panel After Inactivity. Just click inside that oval to toggle it to the left to disable, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.